Cody from Beach City, Texas, has a question about window trim.
He has one that needs to be replaced, as you can plainly see in this photograph.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And so Cody writes, I assume the window is fastened to the framing, right? And there is a small drip edge, he says, at the top of it. And obviously he's never done this before, right? So he says, should I take any special care when removing the boards near it? And once I get the old trim off, what's your advice on fastening the new trim?
It's very simple. Just take off the old. It's just a 1x4 that surrounds the window, and go ahead and nail your new trim on. It's that simple. Caulk and paint. Don't think of it even any more than that.
Well, I think if you go back, look at the picture again. I think maybe one of Cody's concerns is that it's surrounded by brick. He's wondering what does he drive that into?
Well, I don't know what's behind it, but I'm sure there's some kind of blocking or something.
Yeah, some kind of frame around that.
It's behind the brick, okay. But. I doubt it's glued on. If it is, then
it's glued on. That's right. We have the new peel and stick window framing.
You could get the flex tape or whatever.
So when you do a job like this, Tom, where you're going to just go ahead and pry it all off, right?
Yeah, the 1x4 will pry right off. It's not part of the window. It's just covering up a gap between the window and the brick.
And then he'll put it back in, nail it in, caulk it, paint it, have a nice day. What a wonderful guy.
Yeah, keep it simple.
All right. And we like to keep it simple. So send us your question and we'll help you keep it simple. Use that brand new, improved, bigger, and better, beautiful Ask Tom form at the newly renovated HomeShowRadio.com. And we'll answer it just like we did all these videos over here.